Hello students, let's solve one MCQ question from the current electricity chapter. Let's read the question Amma. In the following circuit diagram, the current to the 2 ohm resistor is. So there is one 2 ohm resistor connected between the points B and C. So we need to find out the current to the 2 ohm resistor. So what is the value of current? So we have to calculate. Okay, let's calculate this Amma. See, if you so I want to calculate the current through the 2 ohm resistor. You see here one 3 volts battery is here between B and A, and one 6 volts battery is connected between the points C and D. If you observe, so there is no electrical component between the point D and point A. So we can consider these two points as same, which means the potential at the point A and the potential at the point D is going to be same. So let us assume that the potentials at A and D will be 0. So potential at point A, so that is equal to potential at point D is equals to 0. So if you assume the potential at that point is 0, now the potential at point B so can be taken like plus 3 volt, and the potential at point C so can be taken minus 6 volts. So here the point B is at higher potential compared to the point C, so the current I will flows from point B to C. So this current we have to find out. So let's find out the potential difference between these 2 points, that is VB minus VC. So according to Ohm's law, so this is equal to current times the resistance. So VB value is 3 and VC value is minus 6. It will become 6, and I into R value is 2 ohms. So then it will be 9 2I. Then I is equal to 9 by 2 ampere. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, thank you students. We will meet with one more question.